How are you, friend?
I am fine. What about you?
I am doing well. Where are you going?
I am going to play cricket.
What? Cricket? This is the age of computer and video game. And cricket is a very boring game.
What are you saying? Cricket is a very interesting game. How can you term it as a boring game?
In cricket there is no option to play at home alone. And everyone can't participate to bowl or bat. On the other hand, if you play the Pubg or Free Fire, you can play it at staying home. You can interact with your other partners. Do you understand?
I understand. But your logic is very poor. If you play well, you can be regular batsman or bowler. You can interact with your other teammates easily in the field. And you can make friendship with anyone, whomever you want. Besides, physical exercise is very helpful for everyone. And playing cricket is one of the best methods of physical exercise. So, if you want to be healthy, you have to play whatever is beneficial for health. Not your video or online game. Did you get it?
Yes, I understood. I was wrong and my thoughts were also wrong. And now I want to play whatever is helpful for my life. Because there is no ultimate good result of such video game. It's just like an intoxication and time-wasting thing. So, from this time, I don't want to be habituated with these games.
Very good decision. Let's change ourselves. And change our friends and generation.
Let's begin. It's our responsibility. By the way, thank you my dear friend. To make me change.
Welcome, dear. Hope all of you enjoyed the conversation whatever we had done.
If you like it, subscribe our channel.
The Learning Tube.
And comment your valuable opinion.
So today's conversation has been finished. See you next day. Wish all of you to good luck. Bye bye.